Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this cute little orange pouch. In this project, I'm using cotton yarn, but you can use any type of yarn of your choice. Each one is about 50 grams and is a number 3 light category yarn, and you'll need one of each. And I'll be using a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and stitch markers are always handy. Alright, let's get started. To begin the project, make a magic circle. Wrap the yarn around the finger twice. Insert the hook under the first loop, pull through, and twist. Yarn over, pull through the working yarn through the loop. There we go, we have our magic circle. To begin the first round, in the magic circle, place 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now pull the tail to close the circle. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch, and I always like to carry the tail with me. 1 chain. In the same stitch, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2, in the next stitch, 2 single crochet. 1, and 1 more into the same stitch. In the next stitch, 2 single crochet. In this round, we're placing 2 single crochet in every stitch, total 12 stitches. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. In the same stitch, single crochet. In the next stitch, may increase, so place 2 single crochet, 1, and 1 more into the same stitch, 2. In the next stitch, single crochet. In the next stitch, increase, so 2 single crochet in this stitch, 1, 2, and here's the repeat, single crochet, then increase. Total 18 stitches by the end of the round. To begin round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. In the same stitch, single crochet. In the next stitch, increase. 1 and 2. In the next stitch, single crochet. And here comes the repeat. Single crochet in the next stitch, then increase. And single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 24 stitches. To begin round 5, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. In this round, single crochet into 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, then increase. The repeat for this round is single crochet into 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, then increase. Repeat this all the way around, total 30 stitches by the end of the round. To begin round 6, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, single crochet into 2 stitches, 1, 2, then increase. Single crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and here's the repeat. Single crochet into 2 stitches, 1, 2, then increase, single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Repeat this all the way around, total 36 stitches by the end of the round. To begin round 7, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. In this round, place a single crochet in 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then increase. The repeat is single crochet into 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then increase. Repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 42 stitches. If you want to make it bigger, you can continue to make more increased rounds, but I'll stop here. And now to begin round 8, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, and place a single crochet into every stitch for the next 10 rounds. And I'll meet you on round 18. After 10 rounds of single crochet, and we are on round 18. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round, 1 chain, single crochet into 2 stitches, 1 and 2, 1 chain, skip the next stitch, and single crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, 1 chain, skip 1, single crochet into 2 stitches, repeat this all the way around, and I'll meet you on the next round. At the end of round 18, we did 1 chain and skip 1. And now to begin round 19, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, place a single crochet into every stitch all the way around. And don't forget about the 1 chain space. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 19, after the last stitch, cut yarn with a yarn needle, insert into the second stitch, this one, then insert into the back loop of the last stitch. And this way, you will get a nice finishing look. And lastly, within the tail. The next part of the pattern is to make the leaf. Start with a slip knot. Make a chain that's long enough to go around the opening. Looks like just right, but I'm going to add a few more chains. Total, I made 45 chains. And place a marker in the last chain. Then add 10 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Start on the second chain from hook. Place a single crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. In the next 4 chains, place a triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. 2 more triple crochet, the 3, and 4. In the next chain, double crochet, in the next chain, half double crochet. In the last chain before the marker, single crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2. In the same chain, place another single crochet. This side is finished. Now we're going to work on the other side, and we're going to mirror the other side. In the next chain, half double crochet, double crochet, followed by triple crochet into 4 stitches. One, 2, 3, and 1 more triple crochet, 4. Then double crochet. In the last chain, single crochet. Cut yarn. With a yarn needle, insert into the first stitch, then insert into the back loop of the previous stitch, which is the single crochet stitch, and then within the tail. Repeat and make another one. For the second one, there's no need to make a long chain, just start with 10 chains. Once we have all the pieces, with a yarn needle, insert the chain into the chain space all the way around the bag. At the end, stitch the chain and the 2 leaves together. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!